Hello everyone, thanks for clicking on my course and enrolling into it. This is the course that you would need if you are trying to kickstart your journey in Power BI. I'm Ajit Karivinkal and I am Microsoft certified Power BI data analyst, and I have more than 15 years of corporate experience. I've created n number of dashboards for my organization and have got appreciations for that, and it has helped me in a professional way as well. So I wanted to give that knowledge to you all as well, and I've created this course. I'm making sure that people can start learning Power BI from scratch in a very easy way. I've covered most of the basics of Power BI, from including downloading Power BI as well as creating a dashboard. You can follow along with me by understanding what Power BI is and then creating a dashboard with me step by step. So, guys, see you in the course, and this would be your right decision in order to start a journey into the Power BI. See you in the first lesson.